Okay, so what I'm effectively doing is quantum cryptography, and I'm doing so with particular word sets or problem sets that I'm using. And previously today, so from around 9:30, probably around 10 a.m., or say 9:45, 9:50 a.m., 11:24, 2019, all the way until now, 11:15 a.m., 11:24, 2019. I was putting out problem sets, and I put out enough problem sets. I just put out a few of them within the generative adversarial networks. That what is going to happen is that through a few key phrases, you'll be able to figure out a lot of different things. So I have effectively simplified it so that you can find those things based off of this. And so one of the phrases you're going to want to use is that you're going to use Daisy Isabel Jazz Ridley's birthday, and then let's see, penetration or incidence on Daisy Isabel Jazz Ridley's birthday. So 4/20, 2019, as it relates to 4/20, 1992, and then take that and put that as a part of the set, and that is actually a number of issues arise from that. You can find them these guys, so you can find them all over the place based off this. I'm also effectively pushing them out of the system to a certain extent, and then there's also no it's not, which as simple as it is described. I've said no it's not enough times in problem sets where they have this as a part of your database. We can find them. So these are all challenges. These are all eddies, and every time you have one of these challenges pop up, well, this is essential. This is like essential, or this is one of the canons of the next say the next age. So it's not to describe it as over the system as a whole, but what I'm saying is that it's one of the canons that will bridge over the next age. So these eddies and these problem sets being put out there, they are so potent that they literally they don't cause any breach in the system. But what they do, and the reason why it's not a breach is because you have to have a translation and you have to have a conversation with them. So translation, conversation, and then so while I was in the shower today, they did another thing where they tried to record some dialogue with me and put it into the system. Well, you can put this up as well, and what it is that I'm describing that I know how to use the relationship of trajectory and velocity together. And so I can show that mathematically I know how to use the relationships of velocity and trajectory on the problem sets or on the issues that are caused by the interlaced and interlocking dialogues that happen when it comes to the transference of cryptocurrencies as it relates to my own life and my own Twitter account at Galavis_Ryan. And then it also shows that the copyright is also a staple proofing, but also one of the foundational and solid pieces to retaining my value as a person, and then also keeping my assets from depreciating. So this also describes my understanding of economies, economics, and then my ability to use math in an effective way when it comes to traversing quantum cryptography.